Hey, now it's Anthony with A&A Professional Services, and before we start this video, go ahead and join the New Wave Facebook group. The link is in the description and in the comment section. When I first started my business, I never knew that I could earn over 60 bucks for a detail. I thought no one could afford it. To be honest, I felt that it wasn't worth more than $60. When I saw other detailers in other cities and states claiming that they would charge hundreds of dollars, I thought it was all cap. Once I realized that it wasn't cap, I simply wrote it off. Besides, they're in cities with a very large economy, very high cost of living, and a high median income. I'm in Mississippi, the poorest of all the states in the country. I was getting by with the prices I was charging until one day it dawned on me, I just have to advertise my services to people that can afford it. I have to sell it. See, mobile auto detailing is a service of convenience. We come to your home or office and provide you a premium service. Once you put it like that, it's definitely worth the price. So I started by simply offering cleaning and protection packages. There's a thin line between detailing and car wash. First of all, I never correct a potential customer on the difference of the two. I just explain to them the packages that I offer. I also tell them what the vehicle needs, and I leave it at that. That seems to be working for my business so far. The package that I'm doing in this video is called the standard detail. The exterior includes bug and tar remover, foam soap, windows, tires and wheels clean, and spray wax for the protection. The interior includes cleaning of the dash, crevices, cup holders, vents, door jambs, a vacuum, and interior dressing. Starts at $200 for large trucks and SUVs. Could I charge more? I think I could. That's why I raise my prices every 3 to 4 months, sometimes in $5, $10, or $20 increments. Oh yeah, by the way, if you'd like to donate to the channel, my Cash App and Venmo information is in the description. This will allow me to keep making these types of videos. Thanks for the support thus far. Let's get back to it. There is a small difference between car washing and detailing. Some of you so-called car washers are actually detailing, you just don't realize it. You may be missing a few steps, but you are not far from a detailer. You may not be polishing, claying, wet sanding, paint correcting, or applying ceramic coatings every day, but guess what? Most detailers aren't either. You are the owner of your own business. For once in your life, you can charge what you want. You will be surprised what people will pay for. People will pay for good work. They will pay for consistency, and they will pay for convenience. In a nutshell, that's what mobile detailing is all about. For the most part, most of us are actually afraid to charge what we're really worth. You are afraid of the word no. Most of us are not even offering higher price packages. If you don't offer it, there's no way you can sell it. We have to take advantage of our potential. There's a lot of potential in mobile detailing. So much can be done with so little. It doesn't take much to start. You can actually raise families with the proceeds from mobile detailing. You can leave the job you don't like, leave the boss you can't stand, but you have to charge correctly. I get asked all the time, can you make a living detailing cars? My answer to that question is yes, you can. I've been doing it for over a decade, and so can you. It's not gonna be easy. You're gonna have to sacrifice or put a lot of time in. I wouldn't want it if it was easy. It looks easy. And when I say it isn't easy, I'm not talking about detailing. I'm talking about getting customers, charging correctly, time management, and advertising. That takes time to master. It's not easy, but it's doable. It's worth the sacrifice. It's worth the time, and it's worth the struggle. You definitely get out what you put in. If you're in this for a money grab, I promise you, you won't win. Your success won't be long lasting. It took me 2.5 hours to complete this vehicle. By the time this video is published, my price for this package would be $10 more. $200 in 2.5 hours is not bad. That's roughly about $80 an hour. Pretty good. I ain't mad at it. With a few adjustments, I can get more efficient, raise my prices, and make those figures a little better. That's the beauty of owning your own business. You can immediately make corrections as you go. You have the power and the control in your hands.